Hi guys, I am back with another video which is chapter number 3 of geography, drainage. So you might be thinking, if you are not in my school or class, that why I am going with chapter number 3, why not chapter number 1 or 2? Because this is our new syllabus and one of the exam is already over, so cooperate and let's discuss chapter number 3. In my channel you will get most of the videos of gaming because most of the time I do that. I also do studies, so I am uploading this one also. I am not a teacher, so how much I understand I am telling. So drainage, the term drainage describes the river system of an area. So this is the meaning of drainage. Many small streams flowing from different directions come together to form the main river. This main river ultimately drains into a river body, example lake, a sea or an ocean. The area which is drained by a single river is known as drainage basin. So this is the definition of drainage basin. The world's largest drainage basin is of Amazon River, which is located in South Africa. This is common, we all know that. Whereas in India the largest drainage basin is the Ganga River. So the Ganga we worship, that is the largest drainage basin or the drainage river of India. An elevated area such as a mountain or an upland which separates true drainage basin is known as water divide. So here we got the definition of water divide. Drainage system in India. So we are now discussing about the drainage system in India. The drainage system of India are mainly controlled by broad relief features of the subcontinent. Based on the features, the Indian rivers are divided into two major groups such as the Himalayan Rivers and the Peninsular Rivers. Apart from originating from the two major physiographic regions of India, these two major groups are different from each other. Both of these major groups are discussed below. That means I am reading a book and from that I am explaining it to you. Number 1, the Himalayan rivers. These rivers are mostly perennial. So perennial means the river which is having water throughout the year, and the river which is not having water throughout the year is seasonal river or the peninsular rivers. The Indus and the Brahmaputra are major Himalayan rivers. They originate from north of the mountain ranges. The rivers are long and joined by many large and important tributaries. They have cut through the mountains making gorges. So gorges, if you hear the video again of 10 second by what do you say, by backing it to 10 second, you may find the definition of gorges by hearing that. Any specific no specific definition is not given. So the definition might be the definition is when a river cut through mountains it makes gorges, so that is what we call gorges. These rivers have long courses. Oh, by the way, this video is not this video will be not edited, so it will be a raw video. So for much time I can be quiet, so as I am a beginner, so cooperate. These rivers have long courses from their source to the sea. These rivers perform intensive erosional activity in the upper course and carry huge loads of sand and silt. So there are three courses of river: upper, middle, lower. So in the first course they perform intensive erosional activity. In the video you might be seeing the upper course. This is the upper course. Here they perform intensive erosional activity, like here we can saw they have cut through mountain making gorges, as it's written here, gorges. Second, the middle course forms meanders. Here the river couldn't go straight, so it bends and it becomes meanders. These parts where it bends, meanders. The most lower part, which is the lower course, they uh, made they make oxbow lakes. So here you can see the river starts bending, form meanders, then they touch each other like this, they go straight, and this part cuts off like this. Here you can see it is cutted off and it forms a straight line, kind of straight line, and it is the main river. And here, which is the part which is cut, this is oxbow lake. Okay, so this is the first part of the video. Here you can see other things, I will explain it now. The main river, the distributaries are the rivers, or are the large rivers which join the main rivers. These are called tributaries, not distributaries, I am wrong. And the rivers which go from the main river, or which comes out from the main river and never comes back, is the distributaries. So a tributary can join lakes or river, but distributaries can only be separated from rivers. So this is the chapter, this is the first part. I will explain the second part, the Ganga river system, the Indus river system, and all those. The next video will be in one day, so not a big gap. I will not continue this video anymore because nobody wants to see long videos, they are kind of boring. So bye, live your life for purpose. Bye.